Hwɛ epebremu ne yewo epebrem se wo refi hu a me obofo Michael me kai wo se epebremu ne yewo no na epebremu ba eya na epenisi a obi anti ase se eya na ejahyehye Ghana wo se bebia yeduro no wo se kia pasa ne ma no yes wo se kia pasa ne ma no but minim se wada no na se yesesam but still pese wo ka hunu se January we ewo mu no eye pebremu ne da so wo enche ye besi sutobrem na mamen kai wo se Ghana ye duru epebre hamatana de ye nyina ye twe adwen kosi su ne se ejahyehye na ne esem bebre wo ha wo se be kai wo na ye hunu se ya ye se ya ye normal but enye normal edi kwase fa se ye normal kwase se bu wo a edika editie esem so ha Kantamanto markets bebre odona market. You just mentioned names. Kumasi Central Market. Markets bebre wunim. Efie bebre wunim. Ija ehihye ne keke. Enne esem we ene eba be kaye ho. Na ansa na ebe kaye nsem no. Ye be ko nkurasesem segment no. Na ye di nkurasesem na bro, ye di nkurasesem ne ba wi a. Na ya ba be treaty the matter at hand. E just share in our market. Ya be shada cheda ka ho asem yie. Na ne nkurasesem a me de bro no. Hwe ebi mu nim se life o. Se die yi o. Omo nam abonten na toothpick show ma no. Toothpick. Yes, toothpick. E show ma no. No mo de yi omusim. Obu ana hye nanum keke. Ebi onam bia na toothpick hye nanum. E ma masa. E nkurasesem. Minje se be di watamo. But I didn't wo ya o feel say normal. But the new normal no boss, you know it. In the dimwie enko restaurant and a chop bar. Enko di dimwie me ma toothpick. E man fan se wonum fan nante abonten say and I me di awie me di aduane pa me yi misim masa you classism. If you don't know I'm telling you. You classism you can never do this anywhere. Now when I'm not toothpick se wonum na wo di yi sim. Masa you classism no. Wo me yense sanem wae. Chuhwe na udidi wie na ye ma toothpick udi use mu atena se. Na bia udidi ye na atena ho. Yiji mu wie. Uyi mu wie a disposing off. Ne ja hoko. Fanche wonu mu mfa nante. Enye mfa mo life. Open life abo a. Ye wo go sticker. Ye say that they say you know. Ye go stick. Anu nsei me kai say madam for be free US buy or the go stick ni bi bre me. No na hye wonu. And no di obi ehun otim say yes. Oh no. Yes. You know what's up. Say nya sa na pese. Wo pese odi go wo pese odi go stick she wonu mu na wutimi sika so go stick no. Na the toothpick akoshe wonu na de nam. E nkurasesem. Wo me nya nkurasesem na emwaye. Ye be ko yensem na so. Betwa me ho abasima. Me ba ye de eye Kantamanto nsem. Ene ye dwa bebre ahihye no. Ye de bebro. Akwa babio bidi e de obofo Michael me se wonam na wuhia me a fra me fie sana na meje wo so a na komo bi e wo ho bi a ugiri se eye nsem a asi a che a wo fi se ke wo se ke yesa Kenya mu no de bomamane ni eni hu komo na Ghana fo nyina hu se ye remfi asem ka me dwumadie na wo hwe na ha too much gh me sraw dan nyina me se subscribe to this channel na abusuan nguro na video no hwe na ye interesting na wo se wo nua bi so te de ekoso a share ma no ade e bebo amene se comment section ho no fa wo nsem a wo feel se twa se wo so do wanu December fa to dwa na ye nyina ka wo asem now se wo be kai a ye gya ehihye no ye timi akase ni pasu mesi obente ana se ade we ni ma edwane hye wo bisa ho Debi, what be sound who say? what caused the fire outbreak? You know what share video be? Now video no almost be 7 years ago our Kantamanto market.
Fire has gutted the Kantamanto market in Accra, destroying items worth millions of Ghana cedis. It took several hours for the Ghana National Fire Service to bring the fire, which is said to have started around 4 a.m. this morning, under control.
Though this is not the first time the market has caught fire, today's incident is being described as the most devastating so far experienced by the traders. Eyewitnesses say it started from the entrance of the market where eggs are sold and quickly spread to the commercial bank area, then to the warehouse. The situation was aggravated by the explosion of LP gas cylinders owned by some chop bar operators at the market. By 10 a.m., more than 3/4 of the market had been destroyed by the fire. It took a combined team of the police, fire, NADMO and army personnel hours to bring the fire under control. According to eyewitnesses, though firemen were there in good time to salvage the situation, access to the market made it difficult for emergency workers to control the fire. Some of the traders tried to remove as many of their wares as they could before the fire got to their portion of the market. For others, it was too late to salvage anything. All they could do was to weep as they watched their items being reduced into ashes. Some traders shared their plight with GTV News.
I had 10 bales of goods in a container, but they have all been bent.
Last Thursday, I cleared 20 bales of goods. I also had 6 sacks of goods in a container, but they have all been burnt in the fire. Over 500 million cedis worth of bales have been lost to the fire. As for the sacks of goods, we cannot count them. I'm operating my business with a bank loan. How do I take care of my children?
Meanwhile, as some traders tried hard to get their bales of clothing out, suspected thieves are also busy carrying away some of their items. 5 of them were arrested. DSP Freeman Tete from the Police Public Affairs Department said the suspect would be investigated and prosecuted. He also appealed to the public to avoid interfering with the work of the rescue teams during such disasters.
A janitor muno, it was being reported say a gas and a cause of fire. Now gas cause of fire no. Who was the one or massa fire no a catching up? Ya kwe say ye jano die o ho na jatoma e normal. Massa nye normal. How? People need to be answering questions. Just recently, yeah, Odono market here, we got the president, Omo Muska, Kantamanto market. Minim se Omo Muska dia. Na minim se sikana market ne shia. Ya de ma 24 man ntina de bi on be se afibia market ne shia. I don't know. There are multi-million questions we need to answer ourselves. Say, what causes the fire? Who causes the fire? I say, ya oha ni akeka ho nsem yi ene Kumasi Central Market eja to ho ye fire service fo godum no ye aboafom no ni adum no oh fire service fo ye hwehwemu omo de hwehwemu beba nadmo fo we na nadmo fo adwuma sorry na nadmo fo adwuma sorry e ho no oh ye aban hwese o matutu bibia kama na yabo adwadifo ma no eti ye be srem na ye be ma we mattress ye be ma we milk cocoa se massa you see Ghanaians I say minim say as I don't know we are a bunch of jokers agro we ni so seriously because say market na ehihye no se nyi obi na ekoso ejahihye na eti janu wo ho ane no ankasa boom na see millions of cities Kumasi Central Market coin eni afibia enhye Kantamanto. Anytime be a just you still get fire service to come. No matter about now they will tell us they will do report on it. Reporter, market nesia, where is the report? Who caused that fire? Just here, I see a marketing. These are multi-million questions we need to ask ourselves. They be no na yakana and a just shit and a just shit. You tell one some sa Santam Shema. And I don't know be in combine a Janet say president say or break Kantamanto Fusca and I know my Odona Fusca you kumase de hye ye hu say party Crofano Babwan Crofano emo muska. This is the mentality Ghanaians are looking for. Say a giant shit market. Now president in power mra recently the hye Kantamanto ba omi na koye vice president okoye no and Crofo na ba omi ba ye no am promise ye hwe ye nya sika odona hye no odona market hye no president buy or mo muska. Look at this. We are living in a country a jasia. Yenim the okoso sa jasisiam. Yenim the okoso jasisiam. The penny say jana she na dwo di for man bob na ye ne man ye wo ye rade and asemabo and eje asisio fire service for omukwa investigation no. What is the outcome of their investigation that they do? This is a multi-million question we need to ask ourselves. Oh, I say, I go for me funny pebi from food. Ye be akeke. Minim say justice na fo. Say yo, say baby e beba so bia no say o market anse a onye guy o party ni your popular. Asa. We are Ghanaians. We need to reason. Minim what is worrying us. The bay pana yetimi aka say edwa we ahye nipa so masi store way and enam so man eja no to market ni. When are we going to identify some group of people say nipa so masi now eja hye ne ba na politics o ma sha say the politics recently Kantamanto there we go Canada Japan Mahama ni mubi when ni mubi na ye dirty politics with this. A brown microphone and my jabaye. People orchestrated all these things. Some go for no way. Why na ni store jani ni mesi so e my jakache no. Our man e conform millions of cities. Now we still push the blame on government. Say government no man may say. We are a bunch of jokers. We are a bunch of say until say yentimi finding Crofo guilty of say a jebia she sick of Nippon negligence no dear. I'm telling you, wow, no, you know it. A general cost every year be a jabeshi. See, 2021. Yes, 2021. I'm waiting for a day. Yes, say a jebiashi. And no, President so abrocheko say or for playing back a budget before my now obeshi show munkafra and you know who the government you know what to do. Masa, can we continue this all the time? Ask yourself, can we continue this all the time? Se kobasi yensi ultramodern market so bobo you bet me see adie go here kumasi kejetia. Look at ultramodern market ayaye. Hardly would fire got that place. I know they yempe. Ye pentabo na ya top blocks 3 steps near the tabo aguso. Ehon obi nu aduane. Kurasesem eho ena obi marketer ye den tabo aye no. Ehon no oba nu oni ni kunu ni ma aduane. Kura no pon school bar ehon be ba no whole market. These are the things that is going on. Ye hwe nim say nema na simple. But I'm telling you, things are getting worse day in and day out. You nim Crofo a woko market wa ne shop e hona ne cylinder ni bibia awo e hono wo fufuo waduro ni wo manyira wo fufuo Crofo soko pot Eja ewo ho. And one day was a ja ato boom. Near to a year Kantamanto show no be bobna. Obi tim found. We care less. We call ourselves Ghanaians. We have leaders in this country. And these are the things you can't say you can't want some. Obi you say over for and I say no, ye move on kayo. Da bay na me say your market Asia. Your market Asia. Fire service for say ya kwachi obi woni fie. Ono na ma agya tom da bay. Tell me say atibia mo kan kire me. Ye ko hwe ni pakoro ne hwe ba bia say o da maduru. This is the country that we are living in. And it's so pathetic. For millions of cities. Shigukwa. Obi deka. A big market say because there will be negligence. Will be some who be okodi yema ejato market ni mu no. Obi deka beside. Otimi sine that dem bio. This is the country that we are living in. And we are so glad say e just say oh yeah so Kantamanto. So they already any news. Oh Abobolosi, any news. Oh Central Market, any news. One Market, any news. Because just share the normal. Hey, masa, ye twa dan no, surveyor no, e twa kwan na anka wo dan no se kwan ne tene. Se ka wo dan bia be ka se wonko school papa. Yes. Yes. This is the country we are living in. Yehunu bibia say normal. Ejashishe, me say when was the last time? They should figure it out. Say the person me see obenti we ni ehun say ejano on the cause of it. Illegal connections and for year. Poor wiring. Who did that poor wiring? People need to be brought to book. That's how your man yen twaso. You see somebody is behind. And away MPP ni, and away NDC ni. Ni pasu me si okoya sa de we MPP ni, o NDC ni eti enya no. Can we continue this so that I cannot come? Can we continue this? It's so pathetic. Drop your comments. My comments in them ra. Mu de mama mi hunu ada ye say ejasihye bi ba ye. Ejasihye na e ba ye no. Ye hu so bo for Michael. And they orchestrated a fire outbreak, you know. Na ya channel. When was that? As they be ejasihye. They be ejasihye. That's the country we are living in. Now, it will get to a time, say, me kwaji obi bosiana me feel say, oh, bisana ma kwaji me change out to. Me change out to. This is the country that we are living in. Masa, I was say, you're reasoning as Ghanaians. We need to reason as Ghanaians. We cannot always be the same. Adai, it's yamre. No, what ye busa. Say, I didn't sanya money na ekobasa. Ask yourself. Bisa. It's so pathetic. It's so pathetic. Tell me what the market bang, and you say market Ghana market bang, and I see you see the past machine nobody is ready, but they be no now your politicians, you know, they are glad near to your two cameras dear chile near the nam. Oh, Vice President every hey Jana Asiano, yeah, moments and man. Yet me to a bet ya party be say just party no ni pension. This is the country we are living in. People millions of dollars for cities we use this as politics. Say and the just say no yeah who and this ni bia wa ha e just say who people ni bia wa nti this year yan to man na nipa hunu na o ma ja ne say ne de mo mpene kira kwan. This is the country that we are living in. Me say the bia me kai won nsam na ye de nsam ni bi wo ho a ekofo bi wo ho a we need to bring them on book. I'm telling you, if you near course here, tisi jebiasi, na fire service for antimia providing a concrete investigation on a quite fast on my Johnny see the poor man Johnny see by ya. Yen you never demonstration tears animal. Fire service, come on, what you my what is the fire service doing? A Johnny Dumuka Canada in your manner. I'm out of here, me didn't know about for Michael. Subscribe to my GH. Debia. Chama Joe ne gina chichim camera. Ma ya kwa ni street ni. Yani abre a street na so. Everything is digital. A crowd.